Alright, some of you may sample from pontoon boats, and you may have a hard time bending down low enough to get a water sample. Pontoon boats ride really high in the water. So this thing is made out of a paint roller. You can see I'm unscrewing the handle here. The length of the handle determines how far you'll be able to reach. Volunteers who want to make one provide their own paint roller and handle, and we'll provide a 2-liter bottle. When you get it, drill a couple of holes in the side, put the paint roller through, and then you fix it with some sort of nut. I use JB Weld and a washer. You can use any number of things to affix it. And then you can use this to get your sample. I'll walk you through this here. First thing we're going to do is rinse it out 3 times. Swishy, swishy, and pour it out. 1 rinse. 2 rinses. And 3 rinses. Now you're ready to get your sample. So that's 3 rinses. And so just like you're doing when you're using the composite sampler to get the sample, you swish the surface to get the surface film out of the way. Start with the mouth down, plunge it under the water surface, and then you rotate that handle, and the air comes out and it fills up with water, and then you bring it up into your boat. You'll use most of this first batch of water to rinse out your sample bottle, the one you've got on the boat, 3 times. And then you're going to fill your sample bottle a third of the way full each time. So you're going to end up doing this 3 times to fill up your 2-liter sample bottle. We're going to go at it like this. Mouth down, under the water, rotate it. We're trying not to suck that surface film into the bottle, so we're going under the surface. Pull it up, and then pretend that I'm pouring this into a 2-liter sample bottle instead of pouring it out on the concrete. You're going to end up doing this a total of 3 times, filling up the 2-liter bottle a third of the way each time. Rotate, air out. So that's my second of 3 fillings of my imaginary sample bottle. It should be 2/3 full now. The first time you use this, it's a little tricky, so here's a close-up showing you how to do it. See how it's aligned on the paint roller? Kind of leaning back against the handle. And then you take it in, under the surface, rotate, fills up with water. And then you bring it back out. And I'll have a link on how to make one of these in the video comments.